Dear students, you are advised that stationery shops are opening and purchase your book and copies so that you can do your work in fair copies. On previous days we had solved 12th sum. Today we will solve 13th sums, which is the sum of two integers is 65. If one of them is minus 31, find the other. Solution is here. Let the other integer be x. According to question, x plus bracket minus 31 is equal to 65. X and before bracket there is positive sign. Therefore, after opening bracket, sign will not change and it will be minus 31 is equal to 65. Therefore, x is equal to 65 and minus 31 will transpose here and it will be plus 31. Therefore, x is equal to 65 plus 31 is equal to 96. Therefore, the other integer is equal to 96 and it is your answer. 14th is the difference of an integer a and minus 6 is 4. Value of a. Solution is here. According to question, a minus 6 is equal to 4. A and before bracket there is negative sign, therefore after opening bracket sign will change and it will be plus 6 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 and minus 6 will transpose here and it will be minus 6. Therefore, a is equal to 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, value of a is equal to minus 2 and it is your answer. Now 15 is write a pair of integers whose sum gives 0. For obtaining 0, we will write two integers equal in number but opposite in sign. Therefore, answer can be 9 and minus 9. Second is a negative integer. To obtain a negative integer, we will write a positive integer and negative integer. Positive integer will be smaller and negative integer will be greater in number. Therefore, the answer is 2 and minus 7. Third is an integer is smaller than both the integers. Answer will be minus 4 and minus 6 means two integers in negative sign. Now, fourth is an integer greater than both the integer. For obtaining greater than both the integers, we will write both integers in positive. Therefore, your answer will be 3 and 5. Now 16 is for each of the following statements write T for true and F for false statement. First is the smallest integer is 0. No, the smallest integer is not 0 because all negative integers are smaller than 0. Therefore, it is false. Minus 10 is greater than minus 7 will be false because in negative integers smaller integer is greater and greater integer will be small. 0 is larger than every negative integer, it will be true. The sum of two negative integer is a negative integer, it is also true. And fifth is the sum of a negative integer and a positive integer is always a positive integer, false. And I am suggesting you once more that stationery shops are opening and purchase your book and copies so that you can do your work in fair copies. And here is your homework. Do it in your fair copy.